Hello kids, welcome to VSA Editude. Today we're going on an exciting quest called the Pronoun Quest. If you're here to learn more about pronouns, you're at the right place. Firstly, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. For example, Olivia is singing. She is singing. The pronoun she takes the place of the noun Olivia. Now, why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns so we don't say the same name over and over. For example, Sarah loves her bike. She loves it. Isn't this amazing? Now, here are some common pronouns that we use every day. I, you, he, she, we, they, me, her, them. Now, let's practice to check what we've learnt today. What is the right pronoun? Be sure to pause the video to answer each question correctly. Good luck. Question 1. My brother is taller than Dash. If you said me, you are correct. Question 2. The frog is playing with a ball. The frog is playing with Dash. If you said it, you are correct. Question 3. Dash play at the park. If you said we, you are correct. Next question. Dash is excited for the field trip. If you said I, you are correct. Final question. Mom said Dash can have ice cream. If you said we, you are correct. Great job. See you in the next class. Bye.